corn, stir-fry corn with mushroom and some of cabbage. So this is happening, guys. Masarap na siya. So aking putahe lang ito, kaya iyan, ilagay natin yung cabbage maya-maya. Kaya masarap siya. So now, guys, ilagay na natin yung ating repolyo. Ayan, is cabbage. Then, after that, we can start. Ayan. So, yummy. Ayan po, guys. Para hindi ma-overcook yung ating yung ating cabbage. Ayan. Stir fry lang natin. Hanggang sa mag-go down lang siya. And then, later, is ready to eat. Ayan siya, diba? Mas maganda yung bayat. Ayan, guys. So, ang sarap nito, guys. So, waiting lang po tayo na mag-go down. So, this is our cabbage and corn and some of mushroom.